that I'm using. What is the compression rate? I don't know. I have no idea. So by the way, see, I told you, we have an issue now. My leaderboard refuses to center, and I don't know why. Because I'm telling it to center, and it won't do it now. I don't know why it won't automatically do it, and it's pissing me off. Not a wabbit. 4 months as a member says you get frustrated easily. Take a deep breath. I do. You're correct. I do get frustrated. I don't like being frustrated, but I do get frustrated. Okay, that one finished, by the way. So now we can get, what happened? Gotta get the other one. And they make memes about it, and they hyper-focus on it, and they can't stop talking about it, and they hyper-focus on 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 it, and they can't stop talking about it. It's almost like there's a name for someone like that. Anyway, so I dragged it out, and it's not. It's its own thing, but now it's just invisible. It doesn't show up anywhere. Even though it's supposed to be showing, it's just gone. So I have no idea what's going on with OBS. So now I have to delete the leaderboard entirely. Now I have to re-add the leaderboard. If I can find it. Text. Why can't I find text to add? What is going on? Text. There it is. Jesus Christ. So now the leaderboard's back, as you can see. But now, as you can see, it's bigger text for some reason. And, oh my God, it did it again. Are you kidding me? I'm not even kidding you. It dragged and dropped again into another group. It's in sound effects again. Why does it keep fucking doing this? It's like all of a sudden things got ultra sensitive, and now I keep dragging and dropping it into a group I don't want it in, and it's pissing me off. Put this shit out. Now I can't find it again. What the fuck is text? Oh my God. This is a pain in my ass. I don't know what's going on and why it's causing these problems. How did I use this new setup for so long, had no problems? Now all of a sudden I just accidentally dragged the leaderboard into a group I'm not supposed to be in, and now I'm having nothing but problems. I don't even understand. Where's the font size? God. Select font. The font's smaller so I could fit the leaderboard, but now it's not centered. You see what I'm saying? What the fuck is going on? Just work. Why is everything so difficult now? Now the leaderboard isn't going to work for me. It's never going to auto center, even though I keep telling it to center. It's right now, it's set to center horizontally. But then why doesn't it, when I edit it, why doesn't it auto center? Anyone know how this fucking works in OBS? Seems like no one does. Because when you're on text, you right click on it and you go to transform, and then you can say center horizontally. And I've done that, but then every time I edit it and I put a new word in, it doesn't recenter it. See? So what on earth is going on? This worked, no lie, it worked all year. I remember OP Boone told me about it, and now, but simply because the leaderboard errored and glitched out, and I put it in the wrong area, and so then I had to re-add it, now I can't auto-do it. And now you're telling me every single time I update the leaderboard, I'm going to have to manually fucking restart or manually center? This is insanely stupid. I don't want to have to do this manually every fucking time. It's going to drive me nuts. Why was it working all year up to now? Now it's stopped. Simply because, oh, God forbid that I make one small human error and I accidentally drag it into the wrong group, and now it forever is fucked up? Like, what is going on? No, I'm looking at all the options. I don't see anything to fix the problem. I don't even know what the problem is. What the hell just happened? Look, it refuses. It refuses to auto-center this fucking thing. No matter what I do, it won't auto-center it. There's a setting called use custom text extents in properties. It's easy and normal to sort, and someone with your experience should already know this. I don't know what you're talking about. Properties. Use custom text extents. That doesn't exist. That isn't there. Shit, you're a moron. I just clicked on use custom text extents. Look what it did. Well, that was genius. Wow, what a good idea. What a great idea. I'm glad I clicked on that. Stupid. You'd have to guess the correct width that you need. Like, is this it? You'd have to guess width that you need. That's moronic. I haven't done this the entire year, and, you know, dumb. Now, yeah, look, now it's all fucked up. I think I'm going to undo that, because that... Center either. It's still in the center. Oh, my God. I don't even know what this means. It says width and height, and you have to somehow know the number to put in there. How the fuck would I know what number to put in there? Yeah, this is dumb. I know. We wanted to install mods for Dark Souls, and this thing fucks up. Now I have no idea what's going on. This is so dumb. So I'm just going to unclick that because that was an insanely stupid suggestion that doesn't work. But I don't know how to center it automatically. I don't know what I did wrong. And no one seems to know anything about how to do this. No, I don't know the width. I don't even know what you're talking about. How would I know the width? Like I said, every time I update the leaderboard, I don't want to have to go over here to transform and click on center horizontally like that. That's, you know, it should be auto doing it. It always did, and now it doesn't anymore, and I don't know what happened and how to fix it. Oh, this is fucking horseshit, and I'm really upset because, you know, I can't be fucking with this all day, and, you know, it's wasting time. And now all day, every time I update the leaderboard, I'm gonna have to fuck with it. You assume the width would be 2560? Is it? Is the width, you know, 1440p? Is it the width of my monitor, which is 1080p? I don't know. I don't know. My screen is only 1080p. My screen doesn't do 1440p. Try 1920. But again, why am I doing this? I never had to do this before. I never had to fuck with this before. Never did I do this. Nope, that's 1920. That's what it just did. Look. It is the 25. What did you say it was? 25 what? 540 something? 2440? 560? I don't even know. Still doesn't work, I don't think. Oh. I did 2560. That's what happened. So this doesn't work. I'm turning this off. Incredibly dumb advice. It doesn't do anything. Just fucks with it. Doesn't work. I just need it to auto center. All I need to know how to do, how do you get text to auto center? That's it. That's all I need to know, because it was auto-centering, and then it stopped out of nowhere, and I don't know why. So all I need to know, how does text auto-center in OBS? Anyway, can we get back to the mods now? Now that I wasted 10 minutes on stupid shit. This is why I hate tech, dude. I hate technology. This is why. Complete stupidity in application. Instead of making it easy to use, it's the most dumb shit. Oh, you accidentally dragged your motherboard into the wrong section. Or excuse me, I said your motherboard. You accidentally drug your leaderboard into the wrong section of OBS. Everything's fucked forever now. Good luck getting it to work. What the fuck is wrong with this shit? The dumb nerd who programmed it. Now I can't get text to auto center, even though it did it all year long for me in 2024. Now it won't work because I accidentally had an oopsie and drug the leaderboard into the wrong section. Oops. I did copy paste from the other screen to this one. I literally just added text that already exists on another screen to this one, and that's why the text is linked. That's why I could change the text on this screen or the other, and it changes on both. That's what I'm saying. I have done everything as you should, yet on two screens, it's auto-centering and auto-sizing, and on this screen, it refuses, and I don't get the difference. Like I said, the only thing I can tell is that when I'm on the podcast screen here, the leaderboard line is colored in green, and I don't know what that means when it's colored in green. It sounds like there's a setting or something there. This is insane. And I have no time to install mods because of this bullshit. This is ridiculous, man. I've had it with technology. I really have. If I'm looking at, so it's highlighted green, but again, I don't know the difference. I don't know what it means, highlighted green. I have no fucking clue. When I go to properties, it's the same properties. In each screen, it's exactly the same properties. No, you don't know what I'm talking about. Basically, in OBS, you have a list of sources. Okay? Sources could include, for example, a line of text, a video that plays, the border of my podcast. They're each a source. So when I'm sitting here in the podcast screen, or scene, I guess I could call it, the leaderboard line shows as a green color. I don't know what that means. I don't know, like some other things show as a blue color. I don't know what that means. Like, I don't know what the colors signify in OBS. Now, on this screen, it shows as green, so it's auto-centering and auto-correcting the text, and it all fits automatically for some reason. Now, I don't know why it's doing that. Okay? When I go to full screen scene, it does exactly the same thing. But when I go to gameplay screen, it doesn't do it anymore. It's not highlighted green anymore. That seems to be the key difference, and I don't know what it means when something is green or not. Auto-center it. How funny is this? If I do it here, it auto-centers, but then if I go to this screen, it's completely fucked. Yeah, I don't know what makes something a source colored green in OBS. I don't know how it works. I legit have no clue. Just like there's things that are colored blue and there's things that are colored red. I don't know why. I don't know why it's colored blue or red in OBS. This is all new to me. My old OBS that I used for all those years didn't have any colors. I was using the outdated OBS and had no colors whatsoever, so this is all new to me now. Well, I don't even know what to do. The leaderboard will not auto-adjust whatsoever, as you can see. See? No matter what I do, it won't auto-adjust. I said fit to screen, You put it in the fucking center. You stupid piece of garbage. You put it in the center. Oh my God. The fuck? What is going on? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? Reset. I guess we're not doing Dark Souls tomorrow. We didn't even get to install the mod. I can't even get OBS to work. This is like, seriously, it's like you're going to a job site and there's a nail on a wall. You got to put it in a wall and there's a hammer. So you take the hammer and you go to hit the nail. And as you do it, the hammer turns into flowers. And you're staring like, what the fuck just happened? So then you walk into the next room and you take the same hammer and you take a nail and you hit it and it just works. What? So in this room, I can hammer nails into the wall, no problem. But if I go to the next room, my hammer just keeps turning into a handful of flowers every time I try to hit the nail. I just don't understand. What did I do? Right? Like, nothing. I did nothing. It just doesn't work on one screen and it works on the others. And it makes no fucking sense. 0 sense. What's up, Game Boy? It's hanging pretty loose today, that's for sure. I have no clue how to do that. Because I'm looking at bounding boxes and shit. What the fuck is a bounding box? Have you even heard of a bounding box before? Well, apparently it's something in OBS. A bounding box. Now, whenever we're in gameplay, my leaderboard's fucked up, and I can't fix it. Yeah, I'm gonna edit transform for leaderboard, and it shows all these different things, like positional alignment, bounding box type, alignment to the bounding box. What the fuck does that mean? Ever heard of English? Yeah, it won't auto center and auto size it for it. Won't do it. That's looking pretty good. I don't know about you guys. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, I told it to fit to screen. So it actually fit to screen. That. But now I need it to go top of. What the fuck? Look what it did. Why are my pop-ups resized again? I didn't do this. I literally didn't do this. So what is going on? You see my point? So every time that I'm resizing the text, it's auto resizing everything else on the screen. Fit to screen. And then I just have to this. Whoa, did you see that? Did you just see the text size change? I didn't do that. So let's try this now. You've got to be kidding me. It's fit to screen. So it's fit to screen, and then you just have to make the box smaller, and then it'll auto fit forever to screen. Now, hold on. Hold on. We're not out of the woods yet. Because did it just resize all of my stuff again? Watch this. If I go to the YouTube pop-ups, no, now these are correct. So I don't know what messed up with the YouTube pop-up size. I have no idea. Okay. But it kept getting messed up. All right. I have something I have to say to myself.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right. So, no, of course the mic was cutting out. I was freaking out. Of course the mic's going to cut out when I'm freaking out like that. Okay. So, now we can relax, everyone. I figured it out. It only took me about 40 minutes, but I figured it out. So, weren't we supposed to be doing something? By the way, thank you to Kermit Jelly Belly for a $2 super chat. What is the most generous thing you've ever done? The most generous thing I ever did in my life? I mean, I'd have to think about it. I'm sure it was probably either like volunteering a lot of time for things when I was younger, or probably like a generous donation that I've done at some point. I don't know. I have to think about it. You know? Nothing springs to mind because I'd have to think about a lot of things that I've done over the course of my life. By the way, a couple tips came in. I received